Okay, hello guys. Welcome to my channel. Coding is fun. This is your tech partner. Ang magiging topic po natin ngayon ay Java Abstract Classes. So with this tutorial, maiintindihan natin kung ano ba talaga yung purpose ng abstract classes at paano gamitin, paano i-apply natin sa ating code, especially on Java code. So ang magiging example po natin ay yun pa rin, yung bird implementation. Follow nyo lang po ako. First thing natin gagawin is mag-create tayo ng isang file. We will call this as the bird.java. Ito po yung gagamitin natin. Ito po yung lalagyan natin ng class na abstract. Okay? So, abstract class, abstract public class bird. Okay, pwede rin natin hindi lagyan. By default, public po yan. Okay? So, what this does is, mag-create tayo ng mga methods. Methods na pwede walang implementation and pwede merong implementation. Kasi pag ang class na declared as abstract, kailangan tayong gumawa. For example, meron tayong thousands of methods within this class. Dapat at least merong isang out of those methods na sinabi ko, dapat at least may isang abstract na method kasi dineclare natin to na abstract. Whenever the class is declared abstract, dapat meron siyang at least one abstract method. So ano bang ibig sabihin ng abstract method? Yung abstract method kasi walang implementation. So, paano pag sinabi kong merong implementation? Ano ba yung methods na merong implementation? So, lagay tayo ng methods na merong implementation. For example, public void, let's say, the bird can walk. Okay? So, system.out println the bird can walk, or the bird is now walking. So ayan po, this method obviously has an implementation. Meron tayong method, signature na walk, and then nag-implement siya. Yung implementation niya po is just to print something like the bird is walking. So ano kaya yung mga methods na declared abstract? So, yung mga methods na declared abstract ay yung mga methods na walang implementation. So, i-redirect natin sa semicolon. So, abstract void void fly. So, ayan. Ito na po yung abstract methods na walang implementation. Okay? So, dapat po pag may class ka na merong abstract na declared po as abstract, so dapat may methods yan na declared din as abstract kasi walang sense. Okay, so ayan po, and then let's say mag-create tayo ng another na file. We will call this file as a parrot. So parrot. So what this does is he will inherit the functionality, the properties, and fields of the bird. Kasi yung parrot is a bird, so we can say that bird can be its parent. Okay, so to make bird the parent of the parrot, so we will just say extends bird. So ayan po. Okay? So whenever the abstract class is subclass, so ayan po, with this term, nasa-subclass na po natin yung ating bird na class na considered as a parent class. So nagiging na subclass na po natin siya. So ang nag-subclass po sa kanya is si parrot. Pag ganyan po, dapat po lahat ng mga abstract na methods within the parent parent class that is declared as abstract, dapat magpo-provide tayo ng implementation that is mandatory as long as you have extended the bird class that is declared initially, that is declared abstract. Okay po? So, since wala po tong implementation, lagyan po natin. Okay? Pag maglagay po tayo ng implementation, wag na po nating lagyan ng abstract. Okay? So, ayan po, void, let's say, we will print system out.println the parrot is flying. Okay, so ayan po, no, na-implement na po natin yung abstract na method na nasa ating parent class na declared initially, that is declared abstract. Ayan po. Okay? So, to implement this code, gaganyan na po natin siya, no? Bird, mag-start tayo sa bird na class kasi para ma-implement natin yung polymorphism. Okay? So, bird, bb is equals to new bird. Then later on, we will use this reference to refer to its child classes. New parrot. So, we will call this method that is declared abstract in the parent class. And provided, and the child class of that parent class has provide implementation of all methods that is declared abstract. Okay, so we will call bird bb fly. Okay, so to run this code, Java implementer is Java my new bird, error, cannot be instantiated. Cannot, yung class na bird, since declared as abstract, hindi po natin siya pwedeng i-instantiate. So yun po ang rule ng Java. Once a class declared as an abstract, so therefore you cannot instantiate that particular class. So we can say that we can make this way. Okay, bird bb is equals to new parrot. Pwede rin yan. Yung data type ng ating reference is bird, and we can refer that reference will refer to the parrot. Okay, so fly. Okay, so Java implementer. So, ayan po, the parrot is flying. The question is, pwede po bang mag-add ng another abstract na methods? Pwede po yung multiple. So abstract void, let's say it is possible that bird can talk. Okay, so for example, wala yung implementation, so si parrot dapat lagyan kasi yun ay tinawag na mandatory as long as you have extended a class that is declared abstract. Okay, so bird, okay, fly, no, it's not fly, it's talk. So the parrot is talking. Okay, so we'll also call talk. Okay, Java implementer. So ayan po, both the parrot can fly and can also talk. Okay, so what if we will add another class? Let's say we will call this eagle dot java. Pwede ba siyang mag-extend sa bird? Pwede rin po. Okay, public, no, pwede ang class nila eagle. So extend po natin, extends bird. Okay, so ang rule again, as long as you have extended the class that is declared abstract, dapat lahat ng mga abstract na methods, yung child class magpo-provide ng implementation. So pwede na natin itong i-copy. Copy natin to dito. So dapat lang po maglagay siya ng implementation. So we will change this to eagle para makita natin. Okay. So for example, dito po sa ating implementer, I will refer another class, the eagle. Okay, and then I will call fly. Okay po, so eagle, ayan niya. Mission class implementer extends baby fly. This extended bird. Oh, okay. This eagle cannot find symbol eagle, class eagle. Okay, so nalaki ko po. Ginawa ko pong malaki. So ayan po, Java implementer. Okay, so both parrot and eagle are flying. Okay, with the help of this type of implementation po, with the help of abstract class, easy na po nating ma-determine ang full functionality ng iyong program. So by looking only in the abstract class. So with abstract class, ang purpose po is, with abstract class, madali kong ma-determine ang full functionality po ng iyong program. Alam ko sa iyong program na meron diyang function na walk, meron diyang method na fly and talk. Hindi, kung ako po yung magiging senior programmer, hindi ko na po necessary po tingnan po yung loob ng implementation ng fly. Kasi Java OOP provides full abstraction. Ibig sabihin po ng abstraction, for example, you're driving a car and you know that car can move, can run, can can brake, okay, can turn left, turn right. So you know the full functionality of a car, but you don't have to know what happens inside your machine or the mechanism inside your machine's car. So ganyan po yung abstract, no? So ayan po, ganyan po ka helpful po yung abstract class. Okay? So I think that's all for an abstract class. I hope meron kayong naintindihan, and hit like if you like this video, and subscribe for more programming tutorial. So thank you and God bless.